Excuse me, everybody, if I could get your attention for just one more time. My fellow bridesmaids made quite the task of speaking after them. On behalf of this amazing wedding party, I would like to thank you for coming and helping and sharing the joy of one of the best days of my best friend's life. As some of you may know, I'm Gabby McCall, and I've had the most amazing opportunity as to be the maid of honor to this lovely bride. I've known Marilyn since junior high, and we've formed a bond right off the bat. And together we've made many memories. Whether it be the times that we sat in my car talking for as long as we could before first period started, our end of the hallway photo shoots that always ended up, it was so many pictures, or the numerous times that you've hurt yourself trying to do the simplest tasks while we were together. Like this one time she broke her toe skipping. There's been no shortage of laughs between us. Throughout our whole 6-year schooling experience, Marilyn and I not once had a single studio art class without each other. And to this day, I still credit her with all of my creative pieces because she was the head mastermind behind all of them. If it wasn't for her, I would still be sitting in our high school art room trying to think up enough pieces to make just to pass the class. But we're not here today to talk about us. We are here today to talk about them, Marilyn and Angelo. Marilyn met Angelo during the summer before we went off to college. Her and I were sitting down talking about all of the things that we wanted to do over our usual milkshakes and french fries at one of our town's 5 ice cream shops, and he just happened to walk into this one. I've never been one to believe in love at first sight, but the sparks that were flying between Marilyn and Angelo could be seen 3 towns over. Then, once they got together, they were the definition of opposites attract. Angelo is the type of person who strives off of a fully planned and structured day, while Marilyn will cross the street at any time, crosswalk or not, just to see what's on the other side. But you put these 2 personalities together, and you get a couple who plans out their days with a hint of mystery. Time and again, I've been by Marilyn's side when she decides that she wants to go off the deep end and create some crazy memories. For example, the 3 of us went out to dinner one night, and instead of staying for dessert, an event of the night that Angelo had planned, Marilyn decided that she wanted us all to get piercings. So off we went at 8 o'clock at night, wandering around our town's streets, just hoping for a tattoo parlor to be open. And after what felt like forever, and talking Angelo down, saying that the needle doesn't hurt that bad, we found our spot. This run-down tattoo parlor with the cat walking around everywhere and Fight Club playing on the TV. Angelo went first, claiming that if he didn't do it now, he wouldn't do it at all, and got his nose pierced. I went second and got my cartilage pierced. But as Marilyn rounded near the chair, her mind changed once more. She decided that she wanted a tattoo. So there we were, waiting for Marilyn once again, and out she came from behind this curtain, and she had the words, "Marry me," written on her ring finger. The 2 of them proved to me that night that the most memorable moments come from structured chaos. So please raise your glass to the couple who's never on time, but never late. The couple who looks both ways before crossing the highway, and the couple who proves that love is a journey whose map is never fully printed. Here's to the both of you and your many years of structured chaos.